Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So how's your quarantine going? Well, I am back with a brand new video to make your day even more better. By looking at the title itself, you might already know what I'll be showing in today's video, right? Well, you guessed it right. This is a special mechanical keyboard, guys, that is exclusively made based on the Joker movie. You all know that movie, right? I'm a big fan of Joker, and as soon as I saw this special and it's kind of limited edition kind of keyboard, and as soon as I saw this product, I just wanted to make a video on that product for you guys. So it's got this beautiful Joker themed skin, like that purple, white and green sort of all the keycaps and a beautiful skin. And not just that visual and the looks, it also comes with some really cool features, like this is a multifunctional mechanical keyboard. That means you can use it in both wired as well as wireless mode, and along with that it's got some beautiful RGB lighting. So today in this video we're gonna unbox and check it out and see how this awesome Joker keyboard looks like. So let's get started. So the special Joker keyboard came in this sort of box packaging. Let me quickly remove these outer covers and show you the actual box. There you go. As I mentioned before, it's made by this brand known as Equinix. They make a lot of high quality mechanical keyboards with different themes. You can check them out on their website. Well, without wasting any more time, let's quickly unbox it and check out the product. Here we go! And ta-ta-da! Our brand new Joker keyboard from the brand. Now this is not just about the name or the style, guys. It actually comes with loads of features which I'll tell you at a later part in this video. First, let me take it out of the box. Oh my god, this thing is quite heavy. It easily weighs around like 1 kg. Now that is because the entire keyboard's body is made of aluminum. So at last, here it is, the Joker keyboard from Equinix. Holy smokes, just look at that keyboard. Wow, it even says "Why so serious" on the spacebar. That is very cool. So before we go in detail, let's also see what else we got in the package. There's some paperwork which includes the brand stickers and a user manual. Make sure to read that. Few spare keycaps with beautiful artwork, and a high quality braided USB Type-C cable with a length of around 1.8 meters. So these are all the stuff we got in the box. Now let's finally check out the product, the Joker themed keyboard. It's a premium quality mechanical RGB backlit keyboard that can be used in both wired and wireless modes. And as soon as you hold it in your hand, you can tell that it's a beautiful looking piece of tech. I just love this Joker theme artwork, and especially the color scheme as well. Purple, white and green look great on a keyboard. So the Equinix Joker is a 96% mechanical RGB keyboard. That means it's got a slightly smaller layout with a compact body than a usual full-size keyboard. A lot of people love and prefer these compact 96% or even the TKL keyboards because they take up less space on your desk and let you use your mouse more conveniently by giving it more space. Talking about the build quality of this keyboard is top-notch. One of the finest compact mechanical keyboards I've seen in the recent times. The entire body, including the bottom, is made of aluminum, and the whole thing weighs around like 1 kg. Coming to the design, well, I'm a big fan of the Joker and never thought there'll be a keyboard based on it. I absolutely love the purple, white and green theme with the poker cards artwork here and there on some keys, and also fancy that "Why so serious" text with the Joker font they've used on the spacebar. All these minute details really add up and give it a premium look. I only wish there was some sort of Joker icon on any of the keycaps. That would have made it complete. So any Joker fans here watching the video, let me know in the comment section down below. This is how the back of the keyboard looks like. We've got the Equinix branding and the model number, which is F96. And to the right there's a tiny switch that lets you change between the Bluetooth and wired mode depending on your needs. And the good thing they've done is they've used a Type-C port at the top if you prefer a wired connection. So that was a look at the design and the build quality. Now let me connect it to my PC and show you. Alright guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using the keyboard mostly in Bluetooth mode only, so let me share you my experience and feedback. As I've told you before, this is a 96% compact full-sized mechanical keyboard. It offers great comfort and has an ergonomic design with a 6-degree elevated angle to offer you a great typing experience. I haven't told you about the switches, right? The F96 Joker comes with Cherry MX switches in different variants. The one I received had Cherry MX red switches and offer linear operation style. I personally prefer the Cherry MX Red more than the blue or brown variants as they don't make that much noise and disturb the people nearby. They have an actuation point of 2 mm and a key travel distance of around 4 mm. And I have to say I was very happy with this keyboard's performance. It's quite responsive in both wired and Bluetooth modes and accurately registers your clicks. The addition of N-key rollover also greatly benefits in games like PUBG and Fortnite. Talking about the lifespan, the Cherry MX switches offer a lifespan of around 50 million clicks. And coming to the keycaps, the keycaps quality was very good. The brand gave us some high quality PBT keycaps that offer great durability. And for the artwork printing, they've used a dye sublimation process. That means you've got the finest keycaps on this board. Let me show you how the keys on it sound like. Well, if you thought that was the end, no, the best part about the keyboard is this is an RGB backlit keyboard and offers a variety of on-board lighting effects. You can easily toggle the lighting by pressing the function and Z button. And this is how it looked like. Holy moly, now that is beautiful. It can produce around 16 million colors and looks great during night time. The RGB lighting effects can be easily changed by pressing the function and shift keys. It's got around like 15 different lighting effects on board. Just check out this clip. One thing you might have observed in the video is the RGB LEDs on the keyboard are nicely diffused, so they produce a smooth and soft lighting. It doesn't feel harsh like you would see on those cheap keyboards, but I felt the brightness of the LEDs was a bit low. They look great during nighttime or low light, but not that visible during daytime. And also one issue I felt was the lettering on the keycaps was not translucent. The light was not passing through it, because of which it was hard to identify the keys in the dark. I guess this was because of the dye sublimated keycaps they've used. Well, that's pretty much it for today. That was my video on this exclusive Joker keyboard from Equinix. If you're a die-hard fan of the Joker, this is a must for you. But the only thing I felt was the price was a bit on the expensive side. It's available in different variants with the price starting from 13,000 rupees. Since mine was a wireless edition with RGB lighting, it costed around 18,500 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.